Find features that distinguish it from other brands for ICARZONE OBD2 Scanner, MA100, Professional Car Code Reader, OBD2 Scan Tool. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Support full OBD2 protocols. Many cheap scan tools do not really support all OBD2 protocols. An ICARZONE MA100 OBD2 scanner supports all 16-pin vehicles that comply with the OBD2 protocol, including KWP2000, ISO 9141, J1850 VPW, J1850 PWM, and CAN. This OBD2 code scanner compatible with 1996 after US-based, 2000 after EU-based and Asian-based cars, light trucks, SUVs, as well as newer OBD2 and CAN vehicles. Support 5 languages: English, German, French, Spanish, Italian. This car code reader is ideal for international users. Check compatibility with your vehicle model before purchasing. Note: MA100 is unable to scan vehicles that do not follow the OBD2 protocol. Plug and play design. This OBD2 scanner is built for hassle-free operation. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port to get real-time diagnostics, no tech skills needed. Ideal for DIYers, professional mechanics, or anyone who wants fast, accurate check engine light scans. Powered directly from your vehicle's OBD2 connector, this diagnostic tool doesn't need a battery or charger. Full OBD2 functions with battery voltage test, instantly read/clear check engine codes, including pending codes, stored DDCs, and provides code definitions. With 30,000 plus built-in definitions, no Google search is needed. Verify smog test readiness via I/M readiness, plus access EVAP test, O2 sensor test, live data, freeze frame, battery voltage test, and monitor checks to spot issues before costly repairs. This diagnostic tool eliminates guesswork and mechanic trips by giving you real-time vehicle health insights. Note: codes can only be cleared after fixing the actual problem. This tool doesn't perform resets. Built tough and portable, you need a drop-proof OBD2 scanner when working in a car. This one's compact enough for your glove box yet tough enough for daily use. Its 2.5-foot heavy-duty cable bends without kinking, while the large screen and clearly labeled buttons make diagnostics a snap. Whether you're in a mechanic's shop or a roadside emergency, this scanner delivers pro-grade clarity wherever you go. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.